Hi everyone, welcome to a Soul Tarot prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Guys, all the details are given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to make a donation via PayPal and Google Pay, the details are given in the description box below. And the third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, and yeah, I'm also selling bracelets and anklets, energized and activated bracelets and anklets. If you wish to book the designs, kindly WhatsApp me. Okay, it is right now delivered only in India. Soon it will be sailed outside India. Soon it will be available for outside India. Okay, so yes, guys. I already shuffled the cards, that's why I'm not shuffling it again, because these are the current energies. Okay, and I don't want to ruin the current energies. Okay, so the first question was, what are you going through currently in the month of November? You are waiting for some sort of wish fulfillment in the month of November, Taurus. Okay, some sort of wish fulfillment which is not happening. Okay, just waiting game is going on. If you follow your present plan, what will be the likely outcome of the situation? So I think, if wish fulfillment is not happening, I don't know. For few of you, it is related to this long term commitment, this a relationship. A person might enter into your life, or past might try to come back, which you don't want, or which there is issues related to this, or a child might get involved into this. So yeah, past might try to come back. Okay, so yeah, the third, what do you need to know about the career, relationship and health? What you need to know about your career, relationship and health? What you need to know about your career, relationship and health? Okay, so your career, relationship and health. Okay, so you need to gain a lot of mental clarity regarding a situation, because you are stuck, you are stagnant, you are not understanding what is going on into your life. Okay, so you need to have a better understanding, clearer vision into your life related to health, career or relationship. Okay, it can be either one amongst the three as well. Okay, so what do you need to do to change or to improve the situation? What you need to do to change or to improve the situation? What you need to do to change or to improve the situation? Guys, you need to understand, you need to be, you need to be concerned about this. You need to be thinking about it, like, you need to have a clearer opinion, you need to have a clearer thought process to improve this stuck energy, to improve this stagnant energy. And some of you might be going through spiritual awakening as well. I can see over here, this is a card of a spiritual awakening. Okay, so yes, so you need to understand, you are going to realize a lot of things in the month of November. Okay, about that particular situation, particular person, particular thing. Okay, it can be anything. What is your partner's feelings towards you? 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 Your partner's feelings towards you is that they are no more holding back. I think they are trying to come back. They will try to contact you. They are going to try to come back towards into your life. I don't know, but yeah, they are just, they are they are I think, they think that you have moved on. I think that they are actually thinking about it, and they actually think that you have moved on, Taurus, into your life individually. Okay, and that's why they will try to come back. That's what I feel. They are not going to hold back anymore. Okay, so yeah, where this relationship is going, this relationship, someone might be taking an action towards you, guys. Okay, like someone might take an action towards you. I don't know why, but yeah, someone is, it might be a new person, it might be the old person. I feel the old person might be coming back, as well as the new person might be entering into your life as well. So yeah, so For single, new person is definitely entering. For who are married, single, or but single, who are in separation, I think past will try to come back, or past will try to contact you. I don't know why, but yeah. What should you do to focus on now onwards? What you should focus on now onwards? What should you focus on from now onwards? Okay, so you need to focus on your hidden truths, hidden secrets, okay, hidden problems. You need to leave the past behind and you need to move on. Okay, there will be a lot of hidden truths, hidden secrets will be revealed to you, Taurus, which won't be that good. But yeah, you need to leave the past behind. You have to move on. Go out, explore the world, travel, do whatever fuck you wanna do. But yes, do it. Okay, you need to focus on yourself, self love, self care, travel, explore. You need a traveling thing. Definitely you need travel. You need to leave the past behind, emotionally, spiritually, and emotionally, spiritually, physically. You need to leave everything behind. Okay, so yeah, what are your hopes and fears? 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 Your hope is that you want to take an action to move forward in life. No more pain, just a happiness towards the life. Take an action and move ahead. Okay, and your fear is also that you will be able to move on or not. Okay, so I think you should be taking an action in the month of November to move forward towards your happiest life, whatever you want to do in life. Okay, so what will be the likely outcome of the situation? What will be the likely outcome of this situation? What will be the likely outcome of this situation? What will be the likely outcome of this situation? There's a new beginning ahead of you in the month of November. Okay, the outcome is very good. That means on the first week of December, there's a new beginning starting for you. Okay, maybe December, mid between December. Okay, in December, a new beginning is starting for you. Okay, so yeah, this is a beautiful outcome. A new beginning, new life is starting all over again, which is very good. So what is the spiritual guidance spirits wants to tell you? What is the spiritual guidance spirits wants to tell you? What is the spiritual guidance spirits wants to tell you? Okay, the spirits wants to tell you that you need to make a certain decisions about the relationship. Okay, either reconciliation or separation, whatever you want to do. Okay, but you need to make a major decisions of your life in the month of November. Okay, so choose your decisions wisely, guys. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let me check what are the universe wants to tell you. The star. Wow, divine timing is playing its role. Everything is about to happen at a divine timing. It's not according to you, it's not according to me, but it's all about divine timing. Okay, divine effort. You are going through a major rebirth. Major endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Okay, that's a beautiful thing. Major endings and new beginnings. If there is fighting going on in the month of November, about relationship, career, whatever it is, near you, around you, okay, so just be aware of it. Okay, so something is ending and something is beginning when it comes to a particular situation you are facing. Okay, so yeah, yes, major karmic cycles are ending. There's still a karmic cycle related to something which is ending. I don't know what, but yeah, if you feel suffocated in a particular situation or a particular relationship, it's ending. So yeah, Okay, guys. So there will be few issues when it comes to financial matters in the month of November. Financial constraints uh, regarding your stability. Okay, so you need to focus on the same. Do not feel sad, because I just feel it's just a karmic thing. Something is ending, something is beginning. December will be a good month for you for sure. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm getting that spiritual message for you. Okay. Universal messages. What are the universal messages? What are the universal messages? Okay, so what universe wants to tell you, guys? Let's check it out. The first message universal wants to tell you is, when I focus on my inner light, I see the world through the lens of love. So focus on your inner self rather than the outer world. Okay, go within and inside of you. Obstacles are detours in the right direction. Whatever obstacles you are facing there, that are leading you to the right direction, Taurus. When I lean towards love, I am led. Okay, so yeah, love here is all about self love, self care. If you love yourself, you will be in the right direction, whatever you are supposed to do or whatever you are meant to do. My vibrations speaks louder than my words. So whatever your vibrations will be, it will be very good, because you know your vibrations speaks louder than words. Beautiful. Sometimes it's just that you do not have to express it, you just know about the things, which is very good, right? So yeah, so your archangel for the month of November is Archangel Michael, sorry, Michelle. One second, guys. Archangel Michael. Okay, so yeah, his message for you guys for the month of November is, I am focused, I see, I sense, I feel and know the truth. I follow my intuition. It is easy for me to meditate. My entourage of angels orchestrates my life. I receive messages all the time and follow my internal guidance systems. Wisdom is my innate within me. Wow. So your gemstones for the month of your gemstone for the month of November is lapis lazuli. Are you listening to your inner guidance? Let go of the extra stress in your life. Release obstacles that cause frustration. Align with the angels and allow divine orchestrations to light your path, to bring you to the right place at the right time. Flow and allow your inner guidance to show you all way. Listen to all that still small voice within in order to find or to find the answers you want to know about. So there are few answers which you want to know the answers about. Go within yourself. Answers is within you. Okay, because angels are guiding you, they are protecting you, so you need to understand that. Okay, so go within yourself. You are going through some major transformation. Guidance is being provided by the angels to you in the month of November, so listen to it. Okay, do not avoid or do not ignore those lessons. Okay, so yes, guys. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading for the month of November. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Okay, and if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want a same-day reading, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, bye bye, guys. Thank you so much.